So you're into pool cleaning and you want customers to be sticky. You don't want them to use your services maybe for 2 or 3 or 4 months and then go away. You want them to be using your services regularly because you want the Netflix model, okay? You want money from them regularly, whether that's monthly or whatever it might be. So I believe that this thing is absolutely built for you. What you would do is that you would say, okay, every time I come and clean your pool, I will give you a point. And when you save a certain amount of points, guess what? You get a free holiday. That's it. I can walk off now, okay? Because it's as simple as that. It really is that simple. You want to make sure that you build loyalty with this program. And because your ticket, I'm not sure, what's an average pool cleaning cost? I'll have to ask someone in the room here. 150? Oh, is it about 150? Okay, well, see, yeah, there you go. It shows we've got a pool cleaner that comes regularly. I've got no idea. Yeah, what he charges. I do think though, we've got 6 children and 3 of the children look very much like him. So I don't know what sort of bonus he had going on. But anyway, so therefore, if it's say $100, $150, every time you, let's pick 100, that's easy numbers, okay? Don't take my numbers literally, but let's just say you're charging $100 each time you come and clean the pool. Then you would say, okay, well, every time I clean the pool, you get a point. Now, you actually give them a little certificate, which we've called vacation certificates, and on that is a website that they should go to and a unique code. So when you give them the first one, they go onto that website, they put their details in and they put the unique code in, that gives them 1 point. And every time you come and clean their pool, you give them another one of these little vacation certificates and they do the same thing. They just register that certificate online. When they've registered 10 certificates, keep in mind, we just picked a number, that every time you do the pool cleaning, let's say it's $100, just for ease, okay, to do this calculation, that means they'd save 10 of those points. They get a free holiday, because why? They've spent 10 times $100 with you, and you've bought the holiday from us for $97, and that represents less than 10% of the $1,000 that they've spent with you over that period of time. And so therefore you've just turned a very modest, lame 10% discount into a juggernaut promotional incentive that's going to keep them sticky with you. Simple as that. That's the way you run it. That couldn't be any easier. Now, if you wanted to continue to do that on and on and on, and trust me, if this works the way I think it would work for you, you'll keep this going forever. We had a bank called the Greater Building Society that ran get a home loan, get a free holiday for about 3 to 6 months to see how it would work, and it worked like nuts. They ran it for 11 years. 11 years, get a home loan, get a free holiday. McDonald's have been running their toy in the Happy Meal box for 35 years. So there's a good chance if this works the way that I think it should work for you, you will have sticky customers and you will want to keep on rewarding them. So therefore you might just want to keep this going for as long as you want. Now, keep in mind when you give Betty Bankstown her free holiday after she's accumulated the points, she's allowed to, the holiday is a limit of 1 household per 12 months. So the more holidays that you give her after the first one, she can give them to, you know, friends or relatives or work colleagues or whatever it might be. This is a promotion in terms of loyalty that you would have never seen before. This is just nuts, because really, if you had a 10% discount, do you think anyone would actually be, you know, busting it all down? This is the equivalent, well, it should be if you do the maths like I've just done, of a 10% discount, but it's on steroids.